Who's doing what?
So I'm the chef for Sysco in the North Florida region, the west side, Tampa.
I'm the premium protein specialist, but I also am sidekick to Chef Luis.
And I'm the Director of Business Specialist for the North Florida region.
It is a foodie truck, so we take the foodie name, we are passionate about food, and then we take it on the road with a new foodie truck.
We are going out and promoting to our customers and helping communities all across the state of Florida.
We wanted to kind of take the show on the road and still have the ability to give our customers help and all the benefits that we're able to do inside of our kitchen facilities.
Right now we're going to get it set and ready, and it looks like we're going to be in Fort Myers. Our first stop will be Fort Myers.
We worked with Tony, and Tony was our saving grace to help us get through this process.
We're super excited because everything's brand new, and that's awesome.
Cool, yeah.
Having brand new equipment laid out really, really well. Everything is put together really, really well. We're super excited about that.